The next stop is Amsterdam Centraal.
I'm from Austria, but I'm actually half Dutch. My father is from the Netherlands, but I haven't been here in like 12 years. So it's good to be back. We reached the Flixbus stop, which is a little bit outside of Amsterdam, of like the center. We now get to the train station. We have to take a boat to our hostel, and then we come back to the old town and go for a walk. We can go without any money. What?
We buy a bus, like let's say in 2021.
We buy a bus.
We buy a bus.
We buy one.
And then we go through Scandinavia.
It would be so cool.
Yeah.
That's an announcement.
And then
Next movie is coming out in 2021. It's going to be about the bus trip to Scandinavia.